What on earth is a NanoBanana? Is it some futuristic fruit? A new tech gadget? Either way, it's catchy. But the truth? NanoBanana is the nickname for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Google's new state-of-the-art model for creating and editing images. Now, here's the thing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Agent Tips. Before we dive in, if you want to stay ahead of the AI game with news, deep insights, and real tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, today we are breaking down Google's latest and seriously powerful update to its image generation model. And get this, it comes with a super quirky nickname. So let me ask you, what on earth is a NanoBanana? Is it some futuristic fruit? A new tech gadget? Either way, it's catchy. But the truth? NanoBanana is the nickname for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Google's new state-of-the-art model for creating and editing images. Now, here's the thing. This isn't just another routine update from Google. Oh no, this upgrade exists for a very specific reason. Developers and creators demanded more. Sure, Gemini 2.0 Flash was lightning fast and affordable, and people loved it. But the feedback was crystal clear. Users wanted higher quality images and way more precise control. And guess what? That's exactly what NanoBanana delivers. And by the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, do me a quick favor, drop a like on this video right now. It helps more creators and developers discover these insights, and it tells me you want even more updates like this. So how does it actually deliver? Google says this model comes with 4 creative superpowers. Let's unpack them one by one. Superpower number 1, character consistency. If you've ever been frustrated because your AI image generator can't redraw the same character twice, NanoBanana fixes that. Finally. You can now generate a character once and then place them in totally new scenes, poses, and contexts without losing consistency. For storytelling, branding, product design, total game changer. Superpower number 2, prompt-based editing. No more complicated sliders or Photoshop-like tools. Just describe the change and it happens. Remove a stain from a t-shirt? Done. Blur a background? Easy. Change a pose, restore color to an old photo, or erase someone from a group shot, all through simple text commands. That's power. Superpower number 3, native world knowledge. This one's big. The model doesn't just spit out pretty pictures. It understands context. It can read diagrams, follow multi-step instructions, and even answer real-world questions from images. It gets it. And superpower number 4, multi-image fusion. Imagine fusing a product shot with a beautiful landscape to create a photorealistic ad, or restyling your room with textures from another photo, or blending art styles into something brand new. That's not science fiction. That's here, now. So how do you actually use it? The best part, it's already available. Developers can access it through the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, and even platforms like OpenRouter and Fall.ai. And cost? Just under 4 cents per image, which means this isn't just for big companies. It's built for massive scale experimentation for you, me, and every creator out there. Of course, with tools this powerful, responsibility matters. Google is using something called SynthID. Every AI-generated image gets an invisible watermark. That way, it's clear what's real and what's AI. In today's world of digital media, that's a must. So here's the final question. With tools like NanoBanana shrinking the gap between imagination and reality, what will you create with it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Agent Tips, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments because your feedback drives the next video. This is Agent Tips, keeping you one step ahead in the AI race. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building the future.